Hey everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys OPPO Find X9 camera test after 1 month. The smartphone comes with a triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 30 fps video, 60 fps video and also 120 fps slow-mo video. 1080p you can record 30, 60, 120 fps and 240 fps slow-mo video with EIS and HDR 10-bit support. And now I am recording 4K 60 fps video, so let me know in the comment what do you think about the smartphone video quality. So first of all, talk about the macro photography. The smartphone you can do super macro photography, and this is the picture sample. So you guys get a very good idea about the macro photography with OPPO Find X9. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the smartphone macro photography. Daylight you can take a good photo, all the images have a lot of details and also very close to natural color. And as you guys get a pretty good idea about the picture quality, so let me know in the comment what you think about the smartphone daylight picture quality. Now talk about 50 megapixel ultra wide picture quality. You can take 120-degree field of view. All the images have a lot of details and sharpness and also well color balance. The ultra wide take a very good photo has main camera, and the low light and night the smartphone also take a good ultra wide pictures. Now let's talk about the portrait pictures. The smartphone you can take a 1x, 2x and 3x portrait, and every focal length you can take a better portrait with the OPPO Find X9. All the images have a very good details and also sharpness, and the edge details is very good. And the low light and night you also take a good portrait with this smartphone. Now talk about the night photography. Night photography experience also very good. The 50 megapixel main sensor take a good photo in a night and low light. All the images have a lot of details and sharpness and very close to natural color. And the low light also help you take a better photo in a extreme low light. So you guys get a very good idea about the smartphone night photography. Overall the smartphone camera quality is very good. So if you looking for a best camera smartphone in your budget, so this is the best choice for you. Okay, that's all about our video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.